Why do 80% of couples overlook crucial details in their wedding contracts? Let's make sure that's not you. First off, always read the fine print. I know, it's not the most exciting, but trust me, it's a lifesaver. Make sure you know exactly what's included, from the venue to the cake. One couple I know overlooked the floral proposal and ended up sticker shocked at the $10,000 floral cost. Next, don't be afraid to negotiate. Vendors expect it, and it could save you some serious cash. And always get everything in writing. A handshake deal might sound nice, but a signed contract will protect you from any misunderstandings. So there you have it. A little prep goes a long way in making sure your big day is stress-free and fabulous. Happy planning.